Hi everyone, this is Kim. I am, as you know or recognize my voice, I'm part of the Alba Lycra team, and I just wanted to give you a quick product tutorial on Odoo, our inventory management system and also retail point of sale system. And this first tutorial is a very simple one. It's just basically to give you, show you how to access this tool. So basically, what you're gonna do is you just type in the website, which is https invista.odoo.com. Yeah. So and then what you do is you log in with the login that you either create or that you have to set up. So basically, the invista.odoo.com website is a cloud-based website. That means that you need internet and of course Wi-Fi or LAN to access it, and it does not work offline. So you need an internet connection to be able to access the system. Inventory and sales, only the point of sale system can work offline. So basically, this is the user interface that you see. Very simple, very pure. And if you see on the upper corner here, it says Invista Kim Fung. Well, this is really your section where you can change your preferences. For example, here you can change the language settings or the time zone, and or change the password. So this is really the section that you can access to. And then there of course are the area to log out. Yeah. Well, play a little bit with it. That's pretty much it. The other areas you won't see exactly the same as you see here, because it depends on your user access. Either you are manager or your access or your administrator. So that really depends. And also this pop-up should not be popping up anymore, because we're here in a test scenario. So basically, what is Odoo about? Well, Odoo, the modules that we have purchased are sales. Yeah, that's all about. We can look at some of the SKU sales for our own counters. We have the point of sale module, which really looks like a cashier, where we can duplicate transactions by SKU, and of course inventory. And this is the big chunk that we are trying to establish, which is the kind of the IMS, or the inventory management system for Alba Lycra on an SKU level. And this is basically where you're going to access to. And this is the dashboard you're going to see. Yeah, and most important here, I think, is that the navigation. Yeah, you basically click on the buttons, and then here the tiles to go back. So that's pretty straightforward. And then for those that have manager level, you start then to do the transfers here, and also the sales generation, the stock movements, all kind of different operations you're doing here. And so just for those that are curious, actually when we go back here to when we go back to the interface, me as an administrator, I also have settings. And settings shows me how many apps we have installed, how many users are active, and it's also possible to manage, the different users here. Obviously, this is not ready yet. This is just a test, so you only see 2 people that were created here. And you can also, of course, go and manage the user. So this is primarily how it looks like when you access it from I would say from a test scenario. The other interesting thing is, of course, also when you go back into inventory, the reporting. When you see some inventory, you can also look, at pulling out inventory reports at a given time to see how much quantities are there and at what stock they are. So really, Odoo is a quite simple tool to look into IMS, and I will show you in the next tutorials how to do that. But you of course can also run some reporting, some analyses, and get, I would say, the information out here, also exported into Excel, etc. So that concludes the first introduction, a very simple one, just wanted to get things started. And in the other tutorials, you will learn how to look into products, how to set up products, how to move stock around, and at some point also do reporting, but also to do some sales transactions. So over the course of the next couple of weeks, you will get more and more tutorials that I will customize, personalize, well, not personalize, but at least customize for our needs at Envista. So thank you for listening, and speak to you soon.